This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. It's the 20th of there's Seymour. 20th of May. This is the last day a year ago on this day that we saw Charlie. Of course, last year the 20th was a Saturday, and this year it's a Monday, and this Monday it's Pentecost. Okay, so yes, but I'm gonna I will be posting this video as well, but I'm also going to post the video of my introduction of Charlie several years ago when I started Crow Crusader. Just want you to see this. There's Seymour, there are birds, everybody's here. Beautiful, right? Everyone's here. Let's start. Let's start with our I think what we're going to do is the opposite today. I want to throw the seed down, but I'm going to throw the big bag out first. Okay? And the rest will go then on the parking lot here. Unfortunately, we have a car parked here from Zurich. I don't know what to say. Probably not from here. May have taken the train somewhere. We have a duck here waiting. Maybe this is Luca because he's sort of by himself. Oh, how many ducks do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's probably Luca up on the railing there. Look at that, on the ramp. It's just a lone duck there, and that's the lone duck is always Luca. He has no partner, and he's a loner. He doesn't belong to any flock. So, this is Pfingsten, right? Pentecost Monday here in Europe. Sorry, guys. There's our Seymour. Look at these little guys. Not much cat food. Miele's just not eating anything on his own. Well, I do force feed him twice a day. And 2 packets of food, so that's a lot. There we go. There's our little mule call. Get down here, Seymour. Get down here. Listen to that sound. That's Seymour, one who's making the racket. Get in there, Seymour. Get your eggs, honey. Wow, you did pretty good. You got at least 3 eggs. Good boy. Excuse me. Got a small cold starting. Beautiful day. Okay. Let's throw some nuts out. Listen to those birds. It gets so excited, those little puppies. Oh. Okay. Let's throw out some peanuts here. Let's throw it up down here. They go up the ramp, so We don't know who that is, but there we go. Hey, little pigeons. A good number of gulls today. And mule gulls. A lot more mule gulls. It's like a whole group of them came today instead of just one or two. These are little ducks. There we go. There's a little for little pigeons. And now we're going to give something to our little sparrows. Hey, little guy. Hey, little baby. Could be they know I'm going to throw something here in the parking lot. Could be. There you go, guys. There we go. You can be assured that our little sparrows are going to get something today. What a beautiful day. Tomorrow, rain's moving in. Tomorrow, we're on our way off to the vet with Miele. Hopefully, we can catch him. He's hiding underneath the bed. He hid there all last night and all yesterday, and didn't come out till about 9 o'clock in the night. Let's see if our little sparrows come down. There they are. There's a couple of little sparrows. You can see them off in the distance, getting your little sunflower seeds. They have a little piece there, and they're getting their little seeds. Pigeons are eating their seeds. Whoops. Dropped a little piece of bread there. Some of the ducks may discover that seed, those sunflower seeds, on the other side. Okay. Put down some more nuts. Put down some over here. All right. And some peanuts. And get them open. There we go. There we go. All right, they're looking good. The bags are looking good. Some more hashes. There we go, guys. There we go. Okay. There you go. And we got one more bag. Put some over here for this guy. There we go. He's waiting there. Get his little nuts. That's what he was waiting for. He was hoping I would throw them just to him, and he was right. Let's not fight, honeys. We got plenty of nuts here, right? Plenty of nuts. All right. There you go. Yeah, so I'm going to put that link introducing Charlie. Didn't have time to put together a video with bits and clips because I still don't have a video program under control. But